Alright guys, we're back. Got a wedge model fiberglass top. It's a 9906 Chevy and GMC full-size trucks with a 6.5 foot short bed. This one's in decent shape. It's blue. Has a few minor scuffs and scratches on it, but doesn't really look too bad. Top looks pretty good. There's a small nick right there. I can see, not really seeing anything on the top there. Yeah, it's just dirt there. Top edge here looks really good. Not seeing any damage there. Bottom edge has a little bit of the trim is coming loose, a little Gorilla Glue to fix that up. Has a nick. Oh, that's dirt. It's a little touch-up nick right there. Really not a lot to see here. Looks like it might have been white at one point in time. It was repainted. Has a little nick here on the front edge. A couple chips right there. A couple more right there. Does have the sliding front window in there. This side stuff looks pretty good. Little small nick there. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Top's looking good. Over here on this side as well. Back corners looks nice. Not a lot of no damage on there that I can see. Bottom edge. A little bit of the original white color kind of popping out of there in a couple different spots. Rubber molding again is coming off there, right there. Like I said, there's a nick right there. That's easily fixed with a Gorilla Glue. A lot of times we fix them before we put them out there. This one just did not get done. Double T-handle locking rear door. The inside is bare fiberglass. Sliding window on the side. A couple holes in the screen. Right there, there, there. A couple different spots that has some holes in it. There's the serial number on that. 6GM99, which means it fits a 9906 GM with a 6.5 foot bed. Sliding window in the front. Side slider on this side as well. This screen is a little bit rougher shape, so it's got some holes there. Quite a few holes on this side on this screen. Really a pretty good sized tear right there in the screen here. That screen, if you're going to use it to keep the bugs out, you're going to need to probably repair that or replace it. But really all in all, not bad shape. There it is. Wedge model fiberglass. I think it was a century earlier. I don't remember the tag said now. It's a 9906 GM truck, full-size Chevy GMC with a 6.5 foot bed. Below will be a link to this unit on our website, which will tell you what location it's at, how much it is. That way you can get a hold of us, contact us if you want to purchase it online, or if you want to get some more information, give us a call, you can do that. Also, there's a link to our site in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, latches, T-handles, foam seals, clamps, tape, all that stuff is available online for purchase on our website. Thanks for watching.